Hello fellow hunters, this is Jared Lantern, and I'm here with another prop review video. And today I am reviewing the animated turning head raven. This is available from two places that I know of. One is Grandin Road, and then the other is Michaels. I picked mine up at Michaels. I knew it looked familiar from the Grandin Road website, and I kind of like did my own little specification checks on it, and it's the exact same prop. They are the same price. Michaels does retail for $39.99, and there's the price tag right there. But of course, you don't really get too many good coupons on Grandin Road's website, and I just happen to have a 50% off coupon for Michaels, so I picked this one up for 20 bucks. I doubt you're going to be able to find this on Grandin Road's website with any coupon for $20 unless it's on clearance at the end of the season. But it's a neat little prop. We've seen animal props in the past that have had like heads that turn independently from the rest of the body. We saw an owl from Spirit a few years ago, but I really thought this one was pretty high quality. I tend to kind of believe that Grandin Road carries only higher quality items, which is why they do charge a lot for their merchandise sometimes. But if you do get a chance to pick this up or any other Grandin Road prop from other stores, obviously I recommend that because you can save a lot of money. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of the details of this prop. First, I just wanted to point out that it does require 3 AA batteries, and it is motion censored, and then you can see the sensor right there. So it basically is just a raven who's perched on what looks like a stone. It is all made of hard plastic, and obviously it will fit nicely into my theme of black and white because he is pretty much all black, a little bit of gray on the stone. He is about 15-16 inches tall or high from the base to the top of the head. And one thing I do like, which you don't see this too often with small tabletop props, is there actually is a volume control function right here. So that's actually really nice. And the speaker sits pretty high off the ground thanks to the little feet that they have on the bottom of the base. So that works out really nice. The sound effects are nice and loud. Head turns side to side, and then the eyes light up red. So let's go ahead and take a look at the animation. So what I do like about the volume control is you do have the option for no sound at all, which would be kind of nice actually, because I want to actually get quite a few of these. There's a section in my hunt where I kind of want to have like a haul of kind of like a forest type of a situation, and I kind of want to have these lined up on either side, and maybe get, I don't know, like 4 or 5 of these if I can get, you know, quite a few good coupons from Michaels. And this noise, you know, could possibly get a little annoying after a while, so maybe only have a couple of them on and have the other ones turned down, or just have them at varying levels of the volume. But I really do like this prop, and I think $20 is a really good price for it. Depending on the coupon that you can get from Michaels, you could get it for even cheaper. I have seen, it's rare, but I have seen 60% off coupons as well for Michaels. So I do like this prop. I'm going to say I do recommend it. And if you could pick it up at Michaels with the coupon as opposed to paying full price, or at least a higher price at Grandin Road, obviously that's the way to go. So Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, keep it creepy.